Hi beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel. This video mainly covers the details about Jurong Bird Park and two main important shows such as High Flyers Show and Kings of the Skies Show. Jurong Bird Park is Asia's largest bird paradise and an aviary and tourist attraction in Jurong, Singapore. Purchase tickets at the ticketing counter located at the main entrance of Jurong Bird Park. Or skip the queue and save up to 15% when you buy tickets online. The inspiration for Jurong Bird Park came from the Rio Aviary in Rio de Janeiro, when Dr. Goh Keng Swee, the then Minister of Finance, visited Brazil in 1967. Being an industrial city, this park has been serving its purpose as a green abode for Singaporeans and tourists since 1971. The stimulated surroundings are maintained to match the natural environment of every bird species, and the vast spaces and open displays are designed to offer an immersive experience to more than 800,000 visitors every year. Jurong Bird Park is open every day of the year. Ticketing counter operating from 8:30 am to 5:30 pm. Admission ticket price for adult is 32 Singapore dollar, child aged from 3 to 12 years old is 21 Singapore dollars, and for senior citizen 15 Singapore dollars, which is applicable for Singapore residents ages 60 years and above, which includes complimentary tram rides. Admission for child below 3 years old is free. Jurong Bird Park has almost every species to impress avian lovers, along with fun exhibits, interactive shows, and of course, its charming residents. For an up-close encounter with some of our prettiest and rarest feathered friends, step into Jurong Bird Park. Spread across 20.2 hectares in a western corner of Singapore, this sprawling park is Asia's largest, with a collection of over 5,000 birds from 400 species. You'll meet the many feathered residents during daily feeding sessions, even glimpsing elusive birds like the crested guinea fowl, iridescent starling and turaco. Colorful attractions. Close-up shot of a Caribbean toucan bird and a boy at Jurong Bird Park. Don't miss the Waterfall Aviary, one of the world's largest walk-in aviaries, home to more than 600 birds and a 30-meter-high waterfall. There are other star attractions at this sprawling park, including the world's largest walk-in lorry flight aviary at over 9 stories high, where you will get close to 15 colorful lorry species, and the impressive Penguin Coast, where you'll find many species of these flightless birds. There is also Flamingo Lake with hundreds of these strutting birds, and nearby Pelican Cove, with the world's most complete collection of pelicans. Winged wonders. Be entertained by majestic creatures of flight. Witness the heat of the hunt as mighty eagles, falcons and hawks show off their moves during the Kings of the Skies show, or be part of the flock at the High Flyers show. Families hoping to instill a love of nature in their little ones should encourage their children to make some feathered friends at lunch with parrots. Alternatively, drop by Birds of Play, the bird-themed water playground, for a soaking good time under the giant tipping bucket, zipping across the flying fox, and even arcade games. Operating hours. Daily, 8:30 am, 6 p.m. The macaroni penguin gets its name from its distinctive golden crest. Back in 18th century England, a macaroni referred to a flamboyantly dressed person. You'll be able to spy these stylish avians at Jurong Bird Park's Penguin Coast. Food for the birds. Feeding time is when the park's birds are at their most active. Watch the frenzy with live commentary from park keepers. You can even feed the birds from pelicans to penguins at selected exhibits. Stay overnight. If your kid is an avid avian fan, he might enjoy camping overnight with the penguins and other birds. These organized sleepovers happen regularly, so check the park's calendar for details. Get behind the scenes. Peek at some of the park's newly hatched residents as they start their journey of life at the Breeding and Research Center. Highlights include the incubation rooms, nursery and weaning room. High Flyers Show. Featuring an all-star cast of our most popular birds and rising scene stealers, the High Flyers Show showcases their natural talents, breathtaking plumage and sharp as claws IQ. Catch the friendly duel of parrots as they try to outdo each other with speed, agility and showmanship. Observe the habits of endangered hyacinth macaw and great pinehornbill pals Sunny and Vicky as they fly freely in the wild. Marvel at the mimicking ability of Amigo, our yellow-naped Amazon, the only bird in the world that can sing in 3 languages. And why not join in the action? Just raise your hand and you might be chosen to hold a knotted rope with goodies for the sun conures, our adorable pint-sized parrots. For a mesmerizing and unforgettable grand finale, witness one of the world's biggest flock of birds swoop onto center stage, a high-flying symphony of colors, sounds and energy. To seal this one-of-a-kind memory, be sure to pose for a photo with our gorgeous pink flamingos after the show. Show times: 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Location: Pools Amphitheater. Kings of the Skies Show. Showcasing the fierce and the formidable, the Kings of the Skies Show stars birds of prey, majestic creatures at the top of their food chain. Witness the presence of magnificent predators such as the white-tailed sea eagle, the hooded vulture and the Harris's hawk. Also, discover how the Malay fish owl catch prey with its strong, steady talons. Look out for the scavenging vultures too. Brace yourself as these ravenous birds circle the grounds. And keep your eagle eyes focused on the sky as the Brahminy kite flies in for a visit. If you're feeling gutsy at any point during the show, do volunteer to try your hand at falconry. Let's see if your bravery can reach new heights. Show times: 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Location: Hawk Arena.
Iha. Ah, here she comes. Over here, Hazel. There you go, nice landing. And right now, we're going to